Leela Studio. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the embroidery wooden hoop on the stand. First you unscrew this, then you bring it down to the height whatever your level and then keep it. Turn the round frame to the top side where you can fix the wooden frame. Now you can tighten the knob and keep it as per your height. This is an 18-inch frame. Now take pins like this and you will have to pin it up all around so that they don't loosen when we stitch. There is a tape here. Since we have put the tape around the inner ring, you can pin it up very easily so that the fabric and the inner tape will be fixed together like this. So you will have to fix it all around with the pin like this. In the end of the video, I am showing you how to wrap the tape around the inner hoop. There are two uses of putting this tape in the inner hoop. One is it will not damage your fabric, silk fabric or any delicate fabric. Second, it will also help you to pin up like this to fix it very tight on the frame. Now the frame is ready to fix on the stand, on the iron ring. So make sure that the nut and bolt is at the back side, and also the nut and screw for this hoop should go behind so that they don't disturb you when you are stitching. So fix it like this tightly. You can keep a thicker cushion for your back to rest so that you can do it even more comfortably, and you can bring it close. Now I'll show you how to wrap this tape on this hoop. You need a gum, scissor and this tape, cotton tape actually. So you just put gum first like this in the beginning and start wrapping all around like this. Keep watching, you will know how to do it exactly. So every 10 centimeters or so you can put again some gum so that they don't loosen up. You have to wrap slant like this so that they are over the first wrap, at least half or 1/4 of that tape. See, put again some gum like this and keep on wrapping.